In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove labels in Gmail. Whether you're looking to organize your inbox with new labels or tidy up by removing some old ones, these steps will guide you through the process simply and efficiently. Let's begin by adding a new label. First, navigate to your Gmail inbox. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar, where you'll find your existing labels listed. At the end of this list, you will see a small plus icon. This icon is your gateway to creating new organizational labels. Click on it. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to create a new label. Here you'll need to type in the name of the label you wish to add. It can be anything that makes sense for your organizational needs, perhaps work, personal, invoices, or any custom name that will help keep your emails sorted. The choice is yours. After you've entered the name of your new label, look towards the bottom of this prompt window for the Create button. Once you're satisfied with your label name, go ahead and click on Create. Congratulations! You've just added a new label to your Gmail account, which you can now use to categorize and filter your emails. Now let's talk about the opposite scenario, removing a label you no longer need. Maybe you've reorganized your process or simply don't require a particular label anymore. To start, locate the label you want to remove in the left-hand sidebar. Hover your cursor over the label and you'll notice 3 vertical dots will appear next to it. This indicates that there are more actions available for this label. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options listed, select Remove Label. It's worth noting that removing a label won't delete any emails that were associated with it. It simply removes the categorization from your sidebar. It's a safe way to declutter your labels without losing important emails. Once you click Remove Label, you'll be given one final prompt to confirm your decision. This prompt will appear in the form of a Delete option. If you're sure about removing this label, clicking Delete will finalize the action. And just like that, the unwanted label will no longer appear in your list. There you have it. Adding and removing labels in Gmail is a straightforward process that can vastly improve how you handle your inbox. With these simple steps, you'll be able to maintain an organized, efficient email experience that serves your personal or professional needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.